Oh, so let's dig in. So again, it's the 0-day call. Y'all, those of you that familiar with it, we used to have this as part of the Strat 101. Then it just kind of grew. We be having like a packed house. So it just kind of became its own thing. Most of y'all that have been here for a while, y'all know we consistently hit trades, winning trades, not just no 30, 50, 80%. Like, 100% is like the minimum that we talking about on taking trades for tomorrow, Friday, 0-day expirations. We talking about taking trades on tickers that, for tomorrow, where the contracts expire tomorrow. So highly volatile, highly risky. So I do not recommend for any of like the new members or anyone that is new to like trading these type of contracts to just jump in there blindly. It's going to take a little level of skill. And if you're not comfortable doing that, then I would just suggest you just sit back and watch, see us execute, and go from there. But just to get into it, on the call the day before the call ended, I was able to kind of look through some stuff on my list. Well, not my list, but I ran some scans, and we did notice that there were quite a number of like oil-related, energy-related setups that had inside 4 hours, which is one of my favorite setups to look for. So I think we're getting an indication of what's to come for tomorrow. XLE, the sector itself is, bullish. We got a bullish 2-2 continuation that happened this morning, rolling into that this afternoon, and looking for a continuation headed into tomorrow. So all signs pointing up for energy tomorrow. So yeah, let's take a look. I think there were quite a number of these on here. We're just going to go through the list, but I think from what we saw earlier, there wasn't, there wasn't anything worth like looking at outside of what's already been strong. So there were some tickers that might have showed strength or whatever for the day, but I'm only really looking for tickers that are in sectors or have been performing well. I'm really want to find something that's already in continuity. Find like a 3-1-2, 2-1-2 bullish continuation, something like that. That's really what I'm looking for on these 4-hour setups here. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna turn my after hours on over here though. See, XLE pushing up after hours. So what I'm running here is a inside 4-hour scanner. That is in the Discord. So you can get the same scanner in the Discord. And essentially what I'm looking for are tickers that are consolidating on the 4-hour that could potentially break to the upside tomorrow morning. So that's essentially in the simplest context what I'm looking for. However, obviously there's other factors that play into it. So we'll talk about those as we get into it. I don't want to run through a list and be repetitive, so we'll just get into some of it. We did look at field sale. I know many of us are already in field sale. Let's see. So again, field sale contract should be super cheap because of the price point on the underlying. Probably not cheap in comparison to what everybody got in on them at, but you know what I mean. The 0-day tomorrow, so you should expect like these to go pretty quickly. I see no reason why this shouldn't continue up, break the level, and push upwards. I have to throw some BFs on here to see if we got anything above his head or something like that. But right now, looking fire. I don't really see nothing to the naked eye that's striking out to me. So I think this fuel cell looks good. Yeah. All right, fuel cell, I like that. Let's see, let's keep it going. So fuel cell, I'm gonna set an alert here. If you're already in fuel cell, possibly for this week, You sitting pretty. What's this? 90. I can't type today. I'm gonna be like, man, a lot of these we already in. You'll say, you know, we gonna get into it. Field sales are easy call. Let's change this one to the day. See what we got in the day. 2-2 on the day today. Looking for a continuation tomorrow. Think we'll get it. All right, let's keep rolling. We got Alcoa, AA. I like Alcoa. I just don't like the broad formations above his head. But gotta love Alcoa. Gotta love Alcoa. I'm gonna set the trigger anyway. See what happens here. Materials and oil, huh? All right. All right. Let's see. What's my levels here? 83.64. It's the 4-hour trigger. 83.60. I'll set my alert. It's 2-1-2 on the 4-hour. 83.64. Okay, Alcoa. Alcoa's got a little bit of conflict. It would need to turn the week green. Yeah. Oh yeah, it would need to make a move, turn the week green. So it's got a little work to do. Let's see. NCLH. I remember NCLH looking at that one earlier today, like, that one seemed a little intriguing. It had a decent looking setup. Looks like it's trying to reverse on the micros. Got a little V-shaped movement here. Not ready to see it's a total reversal yet, but they're trying to pump some good news into it. Not sure about that one for tomorrow. You can set the trigger though. I'll give you the level. I ain't tripping on that. 1805 will be the entry on the 4-hour. It's one of those maybes. Maybe. Excuse me. Okay. Let's keep it going. Oh yeah, DVN, CVX. We talked about those on the call today. Both of those got setups that we like. DVN, CVX. I'm just setting these so I can throw them on the list and let people know. This was gonna be, we got a little gaparation already. Yeah, it's moving up a little bit. Okay. 60.79. Oh, didn't mean to do that. All right, CVX, same thing. Should be a similar setup. Yep, inside 4 hour. It was looking strong today. Did pull back in the afternoon. 171.05. Okay. Ooh, oil looking strong. Strong. Really don't want to look at nothing else, to be real. These travel stocks are showing up a lot though. 312 on the 4 hour. At a tired night. CCL, similar setup to Norwegian. $17.95. No more travel for me. All right, MRO. Is it me or am I only seeing travel in oil? 212. You know, we like MRO on 0 days. It'll give you a little, so I just don't like the broadening formations above it. If something with a cleaner, it's got a little bit of headway, but I like it. 24, 3. All right. Kids screaming in the background. 24.07. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. Scan. Look what we got on here. SLB. Hey, FICO got that SLB on here. That Schlumberger. You know what I'm saying? I drop my broad informations primarily on the week, month, and up. The week and up. Gotta get that Schlumberger. Yeah, man. What you know about that Schlumberger, man? Hey. 43.58. Great. Got an inside day on the Schlumberger. Inside day hammer. Perfect. Hey. 43.72. We ain't seeing much but of the same stuff. WPM. Yeah. It's just a bunch of oil, some materials. 21212. We go TTL back up. 49.39. Wow. Crazy move on WPM. I remember having a December 42 call. Oh, wow. Wheaton Precious Metals. I'll keep that one in mind when thinking about materials also. Man, it's just oil rocking. Oil is rocking. I'm like, God damn, it's just oil. They showing us what's gonna happen tomorrow. If you're not already in, better get on the run. Oh yeah. 212 or 312. I think I'm good on oil after this one. I don't think I want to put no more on that. Sheesh. I think y'all get the point. Right. Energy look like a Continental Resources. What is CLR? I feel like I know them. I don't know them today. All right. We just got hit up with a bunch of oil and material stocks. What else is new? All right. I see something different. We got MGM. We got Dow. MGM. Ooh, look at that setup on MGM. It's got a lot of damn broadening formations in the way, but it look fire. Oh, excuse me. I had to stretch my back. But yeah, hey, that MGM is looking fire. Damn. I mean, everything discretionary seems like it looks looking good. I'm gonna set an alert on it just to see what happens with it tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna play it though, just for the record. It could rip. It could rip, but yeah. We got a lot going on in other places that's strong and better continuity. Uh-oh. I want to see if it triggers actually. But yeah, I don't have any, it's too much. That thing could just die tomorrow. Dow, KMI, let's take a look at Dow. I mean, you can just put the whole oil sector down. Dow looks strong, Dow Commons, 312 on Dow. That's been chopping though. I don't know. I ain't really feeling the Dow like that, but the Dow setup looks good though. We got continuity. by definition, it looks solid. 312 on the 4 hour above 60.77. Not bad. That looks good. What else we got here? KMI, Oxy. You knew Oxy was gonna be on there. You knew that. You knew that. KMI. KMI. Another oil setup. 212 on the 4 hour about 18.59. Inside day. Inside day 212 on the day above 1862. 1859, 1862. Got a couple level breaks. Pennies apart. Seeing this TTO back up. On KMI, it looks solid. KMI looks solid for a TTO back to the upside. Might have a whole list full of oil. I swear this is the last one. That one looks fire. Tell you. And another thing, with oil gift setups looking like this on the whole sector, typically you're gonna see a gap up. They're gonna gap up and then pull back. Then you gotta find an entry, see if it's gonna rev that day or what. But I'm hoping that it doesn't, because it would be nice to get some intraday movement on XLE stocks tomorrow. On the break of these levels, we got everything we need for like a very, very strong day. There's always going to be a big winner, so you just gotta. Oxy won it last week. I mean, Oxy was the one that, like, Oxy did the Dougie. I don't think I even need to set an alert for Oxy, but y'all know what it is. If the sector goes like that, you're gonna see Oxy probably go off too. It doesn't have the best of looking setups like the other ones do, but you know how this thing been going. It's one for all for one. All right. What else we got over here? We got Caterpillar. I don't think we're really looking for too much else. Yeah, Caterpillar looks solid though. The XLI. You got the 212 on the 4 hour above 212.59. Oh man, Caterpillar's not bad for a Friday trade. I liked how they performed before. Like it's kind of been going sideways last couple of days like that. So this creates mad wicks, so they don't like to stay up too long. But yeah, Caterpillar setup doesn't look bad at all. 212.59 be the level to break for entry. And you just target high of the day today as your first target. So that will be, just simple trade, not trying to be greedy or nothing. 212.55. That's solid. Got Love, Trip, UAL. Travel stars looking strong, man.
Yo, that that KMI $19 call tomorrow,
Yeah.
like it's a Tao literally at like, bruh, nothing. Like like
Two
Nowhere.
cent,
before
2
19,
cent a piece.
before $19 is a Tao. So like just think about that shit. If it goes to like that high of like 19, 15 or so,
Oh, that's
that's
fire.
like 2K%.
That's fire. Oh
Uh-huh.
wow.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I like the sound of that. I guess, I mean, we talked about it on the call with this one, you know, not this in particular, but just the sector, the travel stocks. They giving the setup for tomorrow. You heard it here first. But yeah, they all setting up. They don't all line up like that. Either they all gonna go off tomorrow or they all gonna gap down. They setting up like that. You know what I'm saying? That's how they do. They gonna give you a fire setup and then gap down. They gonna give you a fire setup and then go off. And it's giving you one nobody's expecting, so it could go off tomorrow. I'd still
That's what I'm saying, is Ron. You can get like a bunch of them contracts because they're so cheap,
the
and
KMI.
it'll be like, oh, that's easy
Yeah,
money
they
right
closed
there.
at like 2 cents today, I think.
Hey man, that's what
Mini
I'm
stuff,
saying.
yeah, they got some. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. See, y'all already know. Yeah.
3,700 open interest too. Plenty.
Mhm. So you got this love right here. Airlines. You know, my favorite airline is Delta, but yeah, Love looks got a nice looking setup. Trip. United, let's take a look at Trip. Trip should look fire too. Yeah. Trip sitting on top of a VF. Similar deal, travel. What is
Now
this?
you say that about Delta. You saw what I posted
Uh-uh.
about the dude getting kicked out because he had a
Uh-uh.
hoodie that said "fuck Joe Biden."
No.
Yo, I yeah, Louise, I was
Yeah,
gonna send it to resume. And I completely forget.
I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Oh snap.
So it's funny that you were just saying that.
Wow. Okay. Man, that's crazy. Tripping
Yeah, that's
wild.
wild. Dude's recording it like, ready, bro? Y'all tripping, man.
Man, they going too hard for this, man. All right. That's crazy. You can't ignore the obvious, and the obvious is telling us the damn travel stocks giving us the similar looking setup to oil. Not this, it's not as strong looking,
They
but
all
it's
look the same. They all look the same. They all
yeah,
have like, most of them have that 3 with the wick at the top.
yeah. So they trying to show a little strength, so it could be a secondary type of play, but you know, number one focus should stay on materials and oil, but you know, just
Well,
look,
I know
letting y'all know. Go ahead.
You're looking at Trip right now. After hours, Trip went off 24.38.
Woo! See,
So it's already cleared.
Yeah, they gonna gap on
It's
it.
gonna pull back, but yeah.
Take my alert back.
Yes, clear. Currently 24.38 after hours of 15 minutes, and on the 1 minute, which is what I usually look at.
You know what I'm saying?
Hours.
Yeah. When travel stocks go up, I like to look at Trip too. Yeah, I'm gonna take my alert back. Y'all can have
That
it.
thing already over.
Wasting no alert on y'all. So that would mean the rest of these joints should be pushing up as well.
Hopefully all of them don't gap up though. Like,
Yeah.
we need some of them to not gap up.
Webull lets me see pretty good. Love has not gapped up. It's at
I just turned my
41.
after hours off. Yeah, UAL doesn't look too bad, but you know, TOS after hours sometimes don't update. It don't give you.
Well, this is on Webull's. I'm just giving y'all.
Yeah.
UAL. Let's see.
But again, another travel stock looks very good. Airline this time. This United. got conflict, but you see the reversal trying to happen. Again, no conflict. So my focus, I try to stay on stuff that's in full continuity.
Is it on a lot of
Yeah, see.
ADP?
All right. Pen gaming.
HL still strong.
Woo, woo, look at that pen. Okay, pen.
2-2.
That's something in conflict that looks strong though. I think it might bump his head on this monthly BF here though, about 45.
Yeah, 2-2 on the day. Makes it
46.
strong. Not 2-2 on the day.
212 on the 4 hour, 212 on the day potentially for tomorrow. Outside month looks like it found its low. It's now prices pushing up. Interesting. Pimping, limping to the downside. But it's okay. Pen gaming don't look bad either. This one's in conflict, so you got to kind of watch yourself. Price can reverse back on you. It looks good right now, and it could take off initially, but it could hit that broad information and then come right back down, and then back into continuity to the downside. Everything red again. So just watch yourself with pen. It just looks like to me discretionary stocks is trying to peek their head out. I don't trust them yet though. Not just XLY, but just discretionary in general. CXX, the railroads. I ain't gonna discriminate though. Get some of that railroad money. Okay, no setup, no setup. What we got? Under Armour, Gold, Saba, AEO, MO. Let's take a look at MO. What you doing, MO? $312, $51.30. Yeah, you got a lot of conflict going on. You got a lot. Yeah, woo. Yeah, MO. I mean, if you just was set on playing it, you could set it. I'm gonna save my alerts. MO don't look terrible though. It don't look bad or nothing. It's just a lot of better looking ones. Zynga still going sideways.
Man, if that's that's the most sideways. That's the most sideways.
Like, good Lord, what? Like, would y'all do something already? One day that thing will be gapped up like $10. Yeah, Zynga don't have a bad looking setup, but it's got to break out this chop.
Zynga gonna be sideways until the merger with Microsoft goes through.
Yeah.
So that's pending. So that's why it's like kind of hard to play them.
Mm-hmm. I would agree. I would concur. But yeah, setup looks good.
The same thing with Activision as well. That's why they're all sideways.
Yeah. We saw that with Activision, still sideways too. Yeah, it's inside everything on Zynga, except for the week. Setup looks fire though.
8 cents for a 10. Well, 13 cents for a 10. April.
Yeah, GLD and Verizon. We'll check out
Oh,
GLD.
really, my baby VZ?
Yeah,
You
go
gotta
check
do that.
out GLD real quick. Yeah, GLD ain't got nothing right now. Verizon.
End phase look good too.
Yeah,
It already
Got a
bounced
double.
off of that.
yeah.
Got a double one inside for end phase.
Okay. Yeah.
Trying to get in the Zynga club at 8
So we
cents.
getting to the bottom. We about to hit the bottom of the barrel on this scan. I don't want to go through all of these anyway. I think we've already seen what's showing itself to be strong for tomorrow.
Hey, Earl, I got one for you, bro.
Yeah, I'm finna hit the chat. What's up, bro?
SPWR, SunPower.
Okay.
That one look fire.
Sir.
Oh, you put it in the chat by accident.
Oh yeah, because I'm making the list because I'm finna go through all these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm done with my list. Now I'm gonna hit this hit the chat up. In phase of the double inside days. Okay, I see what you mean. Yep. Inside 4 hour. Yeah, in phase looks solid. Look at that. Double inside month. Ooh, that's a macro level. I'll alert them. I like that. Take a look at it. See what these contracts look like.
Yeah, it's about to break the month.
There's a lot of triggers right here. I'm gonna just set the 4 hour and come back to it. I don't want to spend y'all time doing that. I will be back, Mr. Invis. $179.86. Looks good. I'm gonna set the rest of those triggers level. Try to get through these tickers real quick. Oh yeah, you know XOM Mimi, that thing moving. We just looking for continuation on that one. Inside day and 2 up. Yep. So yeah, the inside day be 212 to the upside. Get the inside day above 85.68. All right. So yeah, you know XOM, that's gonna do the daggy tomorrow. And not much to say right there. Hold on. Inside. Yeah, I mean, yeah, XOM is the big dog in the energy sector. So, you know, yeah, it's usually has enough people at the party typically for you to pay 0 days. If the setup's there, then yeah, you can play it. Shit, ain't nothing wrong with it on 0 days. It's probably gonna have as many people at the party as any other oil stock. So that's the top holding in the sector. So. What else? MRO. Yeah, we looked at MRO. Yeah, we know that looked good. That slum, yeah, of how. Yeah, it look like oil and travel. You know, travel need a little oil. They need a little oil too. Oh yeah, that Halliburton gonna get continuation tomorrow. Ain't nothing else to be said on that. That's just we gonna keep rolling on that. Keep that thing going. Plug. Yeah, that plug. Damn, I wonder why plug wasn't on the damn list. That shit should have been on there. Yeah, I like that plug. I was like, I'm trying to find something that's solid but not oil too, because I think we got a lot of oil tickers. So just trying to like keep something 95. 3, 2.
What you know, good big bro?
Man, seeing how this oil finna rip tomorrow.
Should look good.
Look like travel stocks trying to get in the game.
Didn't they boom 2 days ago?
They continuation. They still going. CCJ, yeah, you know, Mr. Legacy been calling out. Yeah, CCJ looks fire. Yeah, that one's an energy. That's an energy related stock. That one looks fire. Yeah, we know. 2756 is your level for intro on that one. That's yeah, a uranium. And then you. Oh, another inside setup looking fire. Damn. Investing for legacy had called out that you. That thing been smoking. Solid trade. Yeah, the KMI, them KMI contracts are cheap as shit. CVX.
Damn, Devin?
Yeah, Mr. Devin on there looking, trying to get some tips. Travel hit the pump today. Yeah, all the airlines look solid as hell. I didn't see DraftKings on the list, but we'll look at it real quick. It don't look as good as Pins does. See, DraftKings be like, I don't like it's that deep red continuity over there. We gonna leave them alone. And you see the CEO got mad and put out that tweet and said, y'all gonna regret selling my stock. Hey, shut your bitch ass up. You're gonna put out a tweet because somebody's selling your stock. Get out of here. We ain't got no money to be betting on your damn games. All right. Yeah. What's this? Walmart. Walmart looks like continuation. That's like what? That's a staple stock that's just been like, you know what? We're gonna do what we gonna do. We ain't worried about nothing. They had a nice dip this week, but they came right back. That's all right, Walmart. Show out, dog. Show up and show out.
I was trying to find something that was gonna flip on the 2-day chart.
Okay.
It was the first day of 2-day candle.
Eli Lilly. What was that? ASO? Yeah, Eli Lilly's got the inside day set up above 267.73.
I got two of those for you, FICO, SunPower and Nova.
Okay, so Nova, I just went across.
Yeah, SunPower. We got the 2 up on the 4-hour, but we got the double inside day hammers on the
So
day.
SunPower be
Sitting on the volume shelf.
Oh, wait, that's
double inside day. That looks solid.
Oh wait, we never traded AR. Y'all traded AR before?
AR? Oh no.
Yes, sir. Hey, that is my favorite stock. That's the first stock that I ever had, like just shares. I never traded options, but the stock moves amazing. I should have traded options a long time ago. That's Antero Resources or something.
Yeah, they got an
Yeah.
2-day hammer. Don't look like it's gonna break.
They gave me my first 100%.
That should look fire. Inside 4-hour too.
Got some nostalgia attached to it. Yeah, I think I did not look at Merck. I think I did look at Merck.
If you look at AR on the day chart, man, that thing been going up consistently since last April.
Yeah.
MRK squeezer.
Bruh. Yo,
Yeah.
I feel like Trading View is Ricky Tan, bro. Remember Chris Tucker was like, why'd you tell me this man rose like this? Bruh. So Ray told me tonight that John Carter updated the TTM squeeze software, like the settings for how it measures a squeeze. So you know what I'm saying? They fire off more consistent. So some dude copied his code and transferred it over to TradingView, nigga. This whole time for the past few months, the TTM Squeeze Pro has been right in TradingView. Did not know till tonight. Like the
Yeah, this Lowe's. Who's put this Lowe's in here? What was this? Browns?
main. Yes.
Yeah, Swing T put it in the main. Then he said,
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks fire. 2 down hammer sitting on broader formation. Continuation on the 4-hour inside week.
Oh, BTU.
Inside month. Nice. That looks good. Nova.
Damn, all the oil looks fire.
Yeah, dude. I know where I'm gonna be tomorrow. Oh yeah, Cam. This Nova look fire. Inside 4-hour 24.52. Is your level?
You gonna be greased up tomorrow?
Yeah. What is CVR energy? Damn.
2 down on the week. 2 down on the day. Hammer 24.58. Yeah, bro. That Nova looks good, Cam.
I like how Nova chart look more than SunPower. I just never traded Nova before.
Okay, yeah. We know SunPower pay. I think what was that? Lucy hit like 2,200% on that thing. Yeah, SunPower paid. We like SunPower in the pack. We don't know them Nova people like that. You know what I'm saying? KR. Yeah, Kroger is an example of a TTO on the day. Yep, there's a daily TTO for you, brother. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Hey, he said Nova's that group of people that when niggas say you come to a party, you're gonna be like, who all gonna be there? Nova gonna be there?
Right. I was like, oh no. SunPower said don't fuck with Nova then. Okay. Nah, that looks good. It looks like we done went through the whole list. Any
Check out Texas Instruments.
TXN?
Nice
Yeah,
little setup.
Yeah, they got a nice continuation look for tomorrow. 2 down on the day. Get you a rev strat tomorrow. That'll be fire.
Is energy the only sector right now that you're looking at the smack?
The best sectors right now, just based on everything, we done looked at all these charts, is energy number one, materials obviously, but the only setup in materials is Alcoa and W weight and precious metals. So it's energy, materials, and then we got the travel stocks coming in third. So you got cruise lines and airlines and TripAdvisor, them type shits.
So I don't know. I had to see pre-market, but I think one sector is SPY on green. That's gonna go off as a dark horse.
Yeah. XLY looks like a dark horse because it's like some of their stocks trying to poke their head out.
Okay.
But they, they would probably be fourth to me, and then everything else look boo-boo.
Okay. So F broke out of its major broadening formation to the downside. Moving force today bounced off the inside after it came back in and gapped back into it yesterday. And then now it's setting up an inside 4. And it's the only of the down sectors that actually can flip its weak green, which would turn it into a full-blown hammer on the week.
Yeah. And that's the only sector that actually has some fundamental news that could like push it up for real.
And technically, according
try to corner
to
my eye.
just past history, it's supposed to be the next rotation. I just don't know if it's gonna change with what's going on in the world.
Yeah, I would like to see because that motherfucker really at the bottom of the broad.
Get the rate hikes. That should push banks. That's what's stalling them out right now.
Keep a little eye.
Yeah. But yeah, for tomorrow though, yeah, it looked like, we know we're gonna be at. It looked like travel gapping up though. Some of them anyway.
Hey, what's going on with that? It's just opening up.
I think opening up, oil prices is higher, so they go, they rely on that oil. So there's something they gotta jack their prices up too. Everybody, we outside now. They probably booked up for the rest of the year.
I'm about to say niggas ain't got no chicken to be traveling. They
Yeah, I got a question.
hard gas prices.
Man, hey man, these people ain't as broke as people think, bro. Everybody ain't relying, ain't getting them PPPs and all that. They out here, goddamn, it's the internet, goddamn, getting it. They selling courses. Go
Right,
ahead,
I
your question.
got a question real quick, Earl.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Strat Damon brought this up in the chat. Have y'all looked at MP?
What was the ticker again?
MP.
MP.
Look at that ticker real quick, starting from the month. Let me know what y'all think. It could pop off tomorrow.
Yeah, bro. It's got 4 inside setups.
I agree. Where's it?
4 hour, day, week, month, all inside bars.
Okay, it did flip it. Green. Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, that looks funky.
Hey, FICO.
They look funky.
And it's about to go 2-2. What's up, bro?
Multi-level time frame breaks right next to each other.
We like
I
those.
found a dark horse.
Oh,
A dark horse sector. They got a lot of great like setups on the day is utilities.
oh well, yeah. Utilities.
NEE look like it could have a good day tomorrow from the hammer it created on the day. But they all pretty much got a TTO set up.
If you're gonna play utilities, it's got to be the big ones. Them about the only ones that might have somebody at the party. You know what I'm saying? NEESO.
SO had a 3 on the day, so that's
Yeah, SO.
something.
Oh yeah. I just be looking at the contracts.
Have you ever played FE before? First Energy?
FE, no.
Once.
They look straight.
Decent. Could be far different now that all the intentions on energy.
Okay, I'm not gonna say this because it's kind of tricky, but D look good.
Like how that D look?
And that's just a ticker, just D, Delta.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, Dominion. Okay. Ooh. Is that
Tell us about
that
that
or
tell us
two?
about the D, Cam.
I don't got no details.
Is this a 3 or a 2?
Thought you was the
I
man.
think it's a 2, bro. Like I think it went right to the
Yeah.
level, but it didn't pass it.
Oh, that's a hell of a TTO. So it's definitely got a channel top. The range of that, bro, that shit might get back to 84.
The Dominion. Get some of that Buffett.
Oh shit. Kroger's a 212. Oh nigga. Let Kroger run 8%. It's a wrap.
We had looked at Kroger.
I like that Kroger.
212 in a 2-day. So the target on that daily 2-2 is the trigger for the 2-day 2-2.
Hey, and it's a shooter and hammer 3-day. Inside 3-day that opens tomorrow. 2-day and 3-day open tomorrow.
Now They open on Monday, the 14th.
On mine, the countdown both say 1747.
On TV.
Like 17
trading?
Yeah. It said like it's 17 hours until the 2-day and the 3-day come up.
Damn. The
Is
date.
mine doing the
15th.
the legacy mess up?
I never paid attention to the clock. I always just looked down at the calendar, like the date for the empty slot for the next one.
Mm.
Looks like we gonna wrap it up. We right at an hour. Gonna close it up. But if y'all got any questions, hit me, hit any of the bros in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? You know, we gonna be still looking at charts and all that the rest of the night. So, you know, if you got questions or anything, throw it in the main trade, then shoot us a DM, whatever. Hit our channels. You know what I'm saying? If you want to know more about D, then holla at Cam. Peace.
I can teach you all you need to know.